everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and this is Terry. What do you do on a day that you don't want to go outside like today? Dark, dreary, cold, damp, whatever. What do you do?
You make bananas.
You make banana dessert? I was thinking sex or banana dessert. There are two things you do on a damp day.
Today, the Eagles are playing today.
Yeah, so
hence the eagle.
We're eagled up.
Attire.
And then we just heard that in the background. That means Jeff may have a score or somebody in the red zone. So we're keeping track of that. Because I'm playing Tom this week. And
okay.
Tom is like the first place guy that I got to knock off. So I'm hoping for a good week. Mm-hmm. But you're in the run too.
I'm trying.
You can hold the banana and skin one. What? Why is your mind always in the gutter?
We're using one of Uncle Larry's eggs too.
Yeah, because we have to do an egg wash. And what better to use than Uncle Larry's fine eggs?
And do you know, actually, the bottom of the banana is supposed to be the way you peel it? I mean, I usually go peel from the top, but sometimes it's hard to open it. And so usually I cut it a little bit. But actually, this is supposed to be the way that you peel it from the bottom.
Did not know that. But it's so easy from the other way. That's why I don't understand.
Well, not always though. Sometimes the tops don't come off so easy.
I know. Oh, you got a spot on that one, but it's still good. And you might want to cut that piece off. Grab a knife out of there when you get done that. So next and first step we're going to be doing is slicing the bananas in half. Very carefully, of course, and not to break the banana. Even though it'll be wrapped in the pastry, still. Oh boy, that's a good one. Hon, why don't you cut one?
Excuse me?
I said, why don't you cut one?
I have two cameras going.
Oh, that's special. Mm-hmm. So did you ever elaborate on who you were playing this week?
I am playing Uncle Larry.
And Uncle Larry is really stinking this year, isn't Uncle Larry?
Yeah, he's not doing so well.
Yeah, see, they're like breaking apart. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take these
So in other words, we need some firmer bananas?
Firmer bananas are always good.
How'd you say that?
Yeah, isn't that what she said? And then we're going to line these up. I should have had it better staged. Only because, okay, that's good. So then what we're going to do is we're going to be taking chocolate bars and putting on half of the banana.
And that's baking chocolate, semi-sweet.
Right now I'm going to start putting these back on. Okay, there's that one.
Oh, so you're going to put the peanut butter chips on top of the banana?
Yeah, when I'm rolling
like
it because I can't.
Oh, I gotcha.
Because I can't stick that in there.
I gotcha.
And I don't know if I have the right banana to the right thing, but it really doesn't matter.
And you can use whatever you like, really.
Yep.
I mean, like you said, there are butterscotch chips that you can put in there, or you can put chocolate chips in there.
Oh yeah. Just hopefully these are semi. Is it one big one?
Yeah, you have to cut them.
Yeah, no,
that's what I got the.
I didn't know if it was in like 4 squares or.
That's what I got the pizza cutter out for.
Right. Good idea.
I thought it would be easier to use.
So what do you think we ought to cut it in 3s, or do you think we ought to do? I'm just trying.
Well, you could have cut one strip first, and then as you put it on there, because you don't want it too thick, because you want them all to cook evenly, right?
Yep. So let me cut it in 3rds.
Oh, how come you don't do the long way so you could wrap it? You know what I mean?
I guess. 3rds. We're going to cut them in 3rds, and as Terry said, it may be easier to wrap them like this.
And the pizza cutter comes in really handy for that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it did. Good choice. Sticky, but good. Okay, so let's line this baby up like this. Bunch you right there. And then we're going to stick this banana like this. I don't know how easy this is going to be, but oh, we're losing chocolate.
It's like you're rolling canvas.
Mm-hmm. It's working. Not the greatest, but it's working.
So you want to tell everybody what number your shirt is for? I mean, not number, but who it stands for.
Yeah,
if they don't know.
Yeah, this is Jason Kelsey from the Philadelphia Eagles.
And also the number 62 happens to be the year you were born.
Oh.
Does that have any kind of consideration in you wanting that?
No.
Okay.
Had nothing to do with it. But it was a good idea, though. Just like my number has always been 15. That has always been my favorite number. But
I believe that's Patrick Mahomes' number, isn't it? 15?
Yeah, it is. Ever since football days in high school, baseball days, softball days, it's always been 15. Except for when I first started out in baseball, I think because back in the days of the baseball teams and uniforms, the smaller the number was, the smaller the shirt. So I went up to, when I started baseball, I went up to Little League as a 9-year-old. So I was like the smallest kid on the team, you know, because I went up early, because I got lucky, I guess. Plus my brother played on the team that I went up to, which was Elmer Rotary. And so going back, so that's why back then I think I had the number 4 because of the size of the shirt. Not that it makes a hill of beans here, but
I really think that these are going to be delicious.
oh, I'm sure they are. Anytime you mix chocolate, peanut butter,
and banana,
sugar, banana, it's going to be.
But I'm not putting any sugar on mine.
Right.
Now he's
because you're weird.
No, I'm not.
Why would you
Sugar
put that?
is not good for you.
Where the hell did chocolate come from? This.
Now he's putting light brown sugar on his, so that has a little bit more of a molasses taste.
Now we're going to do it. The egg, Uncle Larry's egg. We're going to mix that up a little bit. Then paint the banana logs here. And what's the wash do of your
It helps
your days of cooking?
Brown. It helps it to brown
Oh, okay.
while it's in the oven, and then we want it to be like golden color.
And we preheated the oven to a 385 mark. Some people use a higher temperature, some people would use a lower temperature. We like to hit it right in between and then just watch it after like the 20-minute mark just to see how it does. As this is our first time, we're going to be very, very alert of the oven and the temperatures. Right, hon? Mm-hmm. Plus, this is sugary goodness, so we're going to really keep our eye on it.
Remember, on mine, I just want pecans, a few of the chips, of the peanut butter chips, not many, because they have sugar in them too.
And sugar is my friend.
I would like get mine sprinkled with cinnamon, but it's actually, I could sprinkle it with cinnamon after it comes out.
Okay.
Cinnamon is really good for the brain.
Oh my God.
Really good.
Then I should eat
I'm
a lot of cinnamon.
I'm not sure exactly. I think it increases blood flow. I'm not sure, but that sounds good, doesn't it?
It sounds good.
Okay, that's too many.
What's too many? Okay, which one do you want? Left, right, or center?
One that has the less.
I would guess this one.
No, the one that has the less peanut butter chips. Matter of fact, take a few peanut butter chips off that third one. Thank you.
There, leave it there. So, and then we're going to sprinkle a little brown sugar. Okay, and then you're going to want some of these nuts stuck on them too. Actually, the pastry dough works out pretty good because stuff sticks to it. Because usually this crap falls off.
Yeah, that looks good.
Good. 385. 385, semi-center. We're going to put the timer on for 20 just to remind us. Perfect. Are you like growing, or you're like 5'6", maybe 5'6.5" right now?
What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying you've gotten taller. Are you stretching, or what are you doing?
Are you saying?
Oh, it's because of the big fluffy hair.
Are you saying it's too high?
No, it's just you.
Gives me a little height, doesn't it?
Yeah.
My grandmother, she was only like 4 foot, maybe 8, 10. I can't even remember. She was shorter than me. But her hair, she would wear it twice as high as me.
Yeah, she was 6'2".
And she would also wear heels too. But
Yeah.
I don't like
No,
heels.
you're not. You're wearing
they hurt my
camo
feet, so
Crocs.
I heighten my hair.
It's very good. It looks very nice.
Mm-hmm.
I just have like a tendency to look in your hair.
So you want to tell everybody?
Oh, okay.
Like, what
Sorry,
you're
I'm getting
doing
carried away. So
with
what
the basement? Oh no, I'm sorry. Do you want to talk about what you're doing in the basement, or what you're doing outside behind the Morton building?
No, I don't want to talk
If you
about
haven't
it.
seen those videos, check them out.
I don't want to talk about what I'm doing back there. I've run into a little hiccup or a
I'm
little...
going to film it.
Yeah.
He doesn't know it, but I'm
So
going to
in
film
one
it.
of the videos, I have this monster stump that I'm working on. Well, my tractor is too small, so I got come-alongs hooked to it. I'm trying to get it out. I can't pop that thing. So maybe, since Christmas is coming, I might have to buy a bigger backhoe. What do you think? Woo! Woo! Wait! Don't leave me hanging. Oh, that was an agreement. Sorry, that was a
You'll be
boob
hanging,
shot.
all
That's
right.
a boob shot. Here,
Better what?
give me some. That
Buster.
means. So getting back to that, because Terry wants to talk about why I think I may have screwed it up a little bit with the temperature. And
You didn't screw it up. You
I
just
did a lot.
realized that it's pastry. He's going to cook it a little higher. So you bumped it up.
Yes, I bumped it up from 385 to 425, and we increased the time 4 minutes. So.
We're all human. We all make mistakes.
Yeah, I know, but I try not to make many mistakes, or at least talk about them.
So either way, how long would you say this is cooking?
Too long, because I think the morsels are getting very dark in there, so we better take it out.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Oh.
They're like burnt looking.
Yeah, those peanut butter chips look like chocolate.
Stand clear.
Okay.
They look good, though. We might have to scrape them off and just go with the flavor.
Well, you know, we do have extra chocolate. We could melt it and drizzle it on. But I think there's enough chocolate on the inside.
Yeah, I think we have enough chocolate, like you said. We
Yeah.
have enough flavor. We got enough I got sugar on there, because you can see the glistening of my sugar on mine.
Well, you know what? We'll let these cool. I'll put a little cinnamon on mine.
Cinnamon.
And then we'll cut it open.
I can't wait. And these probably would be good with ice cream. Oh, the steam, look.
Okay, now you can put anything you like on the top of this. I eat Smucker's natural peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
And I keep the jar upside down so all the oil doesn't conjugate to the bottom. It kind of goes more up to the top. So,
I never knew there was that much thinking process with peanut butter.
well, with natural peanut butter, there's a lot of oil.
Ooh,
A lot of peanut oil.
that looks like a big peanut butter kiss. Oh, there it goes all back to the bottom.
See all that?
It looks like me after too much coffee.
Taste. After eating Jif for years and years and years, to eat this, it took a while to get used to, but now it's like, it's the best thing for me.
Are you smearing it all over the whole thing, or just?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just going.
So, and you're putting ice cream on yours,
I'm
right?
doing like a section. I'm not eating the whole thing because I don't want to ruin dinner.
We wound up taking the peanut butter chips off because some of them got too dark.
Yeah, as you can see
Because
here,
you're
I
really
saved a
supposed to
couple.
put them on the inside.
See, they got dark. They were still tasty, but a little burnt, had a burnt flavor to them. So I'm going to take a little dollop of my favorite Breyers just on this one section.
That was the biggest piece.
Oh, small. Remember, I used to do dares on how much crap I could shove in my mouth. It's very good. Very good. Very, very banana taste. Banana flavor is very, very high on the list. Very little chocolate taste. But the vanilla ice cream, the chocolate, the combo.
More chocolate. Well,
I think,
you can add more if you like.
Chocolate drizzle would have been perfect, right?
Oh yeah, you can drizzle chocolate on top.
So, no, I think it was very good. Very excellent. Excellent choice on a rainy Sunday day. This is with the drizzle of peanut butter all over half of it. More cinnamon than a normal human probably should consume in a lifetime.
It just looks like a lot. It's not really.
Really? No, it really looks like a lot. Oh, look at that. Mmm.
With the layer of peanut butter on it.
Yep, you're good there.
I don't know. This is a really big piece.
That's all right.
Oh my God, that's a lot of chocolate.
That is. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Okay.
You think I could eat that whole thing?
Heck yeah, hon. Dislocate your jaw for that one.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. No? Well, eat half of it then, right?
Oh my God, it's hot.
It's so great. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You should have put ice cream on it. That would have cooled it down because mine was very tepid. What?
It's very good, but
What? Very good. Okay, we got a thumbs up. Then that's all we worry about. A thumbs up. Puppies, they would all love some, but they're not getting any, are yous? Nope. Well, everybody, when you don't have a lot of time, I think this is a very good dessert to make, right? Would it take us probably 30 minutes total? Figuring in the cutting, the putting the stuff in, wrapping it, and the cook time, probably 30-35 minutes. So on a sunny day, would I be doing it? Probably not. But on a nice day like today, a wintry mix, cold, damp, this is a perfect time. Sit back, eat the rest of it, and watch football.
and take small bites.
Why?
Because it doesn't burn your mouth that way.
Oh, okay. Is your tongue burnt now? Oh, you're not going to speak with your mouth full? Oh, you are so proper. Hey, everybody. Have a great day and a good life. We're trying.